Welcome back. The embankment work for the new bridge over Mandovi river is creating a traffic chaos. The work continues even during the busy hours of morning. Commuters are furious as past 2 days traffic mess along the Porvorim-Panji stretch been annoying. Deputy SP of Traffic Dharmesh Angre said this problem will continue till the bridge project completes. He says people will have to take alternate routes via Betim Jetty or via Britona for few months.
Seems like even the traffic personnel are irritated with the unmanageable traffic at Porvorim. Past 2 days, people had to stand along stretch from petrol pump to Sai service point as embankment work for the newly proposed bridge has commenced.
About half an hour now. The line is so long. I think it will take another half an hour to reach Panji.
In last 40 minutes till I didn't reach Majestic till now.
अर्धवट जालें आतां वतना पळय जेन्ना आमी 9 गेल्ले न्ही तेन्नाच्यान अशेंच आसा.
DySP Traffic has suggested 2 alternate routes to avoid traffic congestion.
Sai service side, they have started building the embankment to the new bridge which is coming up. Goan viewers, they can take the road which is going down towards Gurudwara and then come up from Malim side. Second choice is come via the small narrow road at Bittona. You go down from Sukur side and then come up via Bittona and take that road. Till the bridge comes up, we will have to face this.
The problem will continue till the bridge project completes. Meanwhile, a vehicle sank in Mandovi river near Raibandar Causeway on Tuesday night. Travelers in the car are safe and were rescued immediately. The same stretch had witnessed major accident on Sunday afternoon. On Wednesday evening, DySP Traffic and PWD officials visited the accident-prone zone.
दोघीजण PC between देवले ते ना आमच्या वाटेच्यान ह्याडीच्यान हाडले wrong side गेली पुलिस आणि ते between त्यांनी करून
Causeway is actually a narrow bridge. Okay, and what happens is the two-way traffic is moving on that small.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaunte has sent across a message that he would review on his support to BJP-led government if the proposed vessel in Mandovi River MV floatal is permitted. Meanwhile, Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has condemned the investors summit to be scheduled in Goa. He said the meet would promote rapid industrialization and could be detrimental to Goans.
Rohan Khaunte informed that MV Floatal, a floating casino, is being planned in River Mandovi. He said, apart from that, a 14-room yacht has also been proposed.
I would like to pass a strong message to the government कि आनी नव्यो बोटी कसल्योच गोंया गरज ना, whether it is a floatel, a floating hotel with casinos in River Mandovi or in the periphery of the Goan waters. आज प्रश्न आयला and I need to seriously review whether to continue my support to the present government or not. कित्याक जो सरकार परिवर्तनाच्या दृश्टीन बऱ्या खातीर आयिल्लो आशिल्लो तो सरकार समज सेम हातून पळयतलो लोकांक आनी तीच कर्तृत्व करतलो जे पयले सरकारांनी केल्ली, then I think it is time to get up.
Vijay Sardesai has raised apprehension on Investors Summit in Goa. He has condemned the meet.
हे जे वायब्रंट गुजराताचे लायन्साचेर ताणें जे इन्वेस्टमेंट मीट करपाचें येवजिलां हें एक कंप्लीटली एक कॉपी पेस्ट सिस्टम हो. गुजराताक ब्लायंडली कॉपी करप हें गोंयांत ह्या दिसांनी फॅशन जाल्ली आहा आनी हें गोंयकारांक आनी गोंयाक म्हारग पडूंक शकता.
Savio Dias and Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.